Hello dear students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's start our today's online session of Standard 9th Mathematics. And today in the Unit 13 Surface Area and Volume, we will see volume of the cone and the solutions from the exercise 13.7, which is based on the formula volume of the cone. See here, let us take cylinder and cone of same height and same radius. Now, if we will fill the cone up to the brim with the sand once and empty it into the cylinder, we will find a part of it is filled. Then again, fill up the cone up to brim and empty it into the cylinder. We will see some part is of the cylinder filled, but it is still not full. Now, third time fill the cone and emptied it into the cylinder. Now if you will see, the cylinder is also full up to the brim. So from this we can conclude that 3 times the volume of the cone makes up the volume of the cylinder. Now we are aware about the formula for volume of the cylinder. What is it? Its a formula is pi r square h. Now if you want to write the volume of the cone, and that equals to 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder, that is 1/3 pi r square h. So this is the volume of the cone, 1/3 pi r square h, where r is the base radius and h is the height of the cone. Find the volume of the right circular cone with the radius 6 cm and height 7 cm, radius 3.5 cm and height 12 cm. So here we have to find the volume of the cone. So use the formula 1/3 pi r square h. Substitute the value, calculate it correctly to get the answer. Like this, same way we have to calculate the second also. Here the radius is in the decimal. In the next question, we have to find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel. Radius is given, slant height is given, but in the formula if you will see, we required h. So to calculate the h, we have to find out h equals to L square minus R square, because with the radius of the base and height forms a right triangle, and therefore by using the Pythagoras theorem h can be calculated. So if you will substitute the value of L and R, you will get h equals to 24 centimeter. So volume of the conical vessel is 1/3 pi r square h. Substitute the value, calculate the answer. As it is in centimeter cube, to calculate liter we have to divide it by 1000. The same way we have to do the next one. Second question, to get the answer, 11/35 liter is the capacity of the conical vessel. The height of a cone is 15 centimeter. If its volume is 1570 centimeter cube, find the radius of the base. Here h equals to 15 centimeter and volume is given. Use the formula for finding out the volume of the cone. Substitute the value. You will get r square equals to 100, that is r equals to what? 10 centimeter. So in this way we can calculate the radius of the base. In the fourth question, if the volume of the right circular cylinder is given, that is 48 pi, height is given, we have to find the diameter. To find out the diameter, we first find out the radius. Again the same as we have solved in question third. Substitute all the values, calculate the value of r, which equals to 4 centimeter. Here the base diameter is asked, so base diameter is nothing but double of radius, so that is 8 centimeter. A conical pit of top diameter 3.5 meter is 12 meter deep. Deep means it is nothing but the height. What is the capacity in kiloliters? Here we have to find the radius first, which is diameter upon 2, that is 1.75 meter. Height is 12 meter. Substitute this in the volume of the cylinder, that the formula volume of the cone, and its formula is 1/3 pi r square h. By substituting the value and calculating it correctly, we will get the answer as 38.5 meter cube, that is equal to 38.5 kiloliter. Because 1 meter cube means 1000 liter. Now the next question, the volume of a right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of the base is 28 centimeter, find the height of the cone, slant height of the cone, and CSA, that is curved surface area of the cone. Here dear students, R is given, diameter is given, so we can calculate R, d by 2, it is 14 centimeter. Volume is given. Substitute all these values in the equation to get height, and it is what? 48 centimeter. Now to calculate the slant height, again we use the Pythagoras theorem. So L equals to square root of h square plus r square. Substitute the value, we will get after calculation L is equal to 50 centimeter. CSA of the cone is nothing but pi r L. Substitute the value and get the answer correctly, that is 2200 centimeter square. So in this way, by using the formula and substituting the value, calculating correctly, we can get the answers. See here, a right triangle ABC with the side 5 cm, 12 cm and 13 cm is revolved about the side 12 cm. So the figure looks like this. When we revolve about the side 12 cm. Find the volume of the solid so obtained. The solid so obtained has height 12 cm, base radius is what? 5 cm. So use the formula for volume of the cone, 1/3 pi r square h. Substitute it. If you want to calculate by using the values of pi, you can. Otherwise, you can leave the answer as it is 100 pi centimeter cube. Now, if the triangle ABC in the same question is revolved about the side of 5 cm. Now, instead of 12 cm side, we will now revolve the same triangle about the side of 5 cm. So, the figure looks like this, which is given in the question 8. Find the volume of the solid so obtained. Also find the ratio of the volume of the two solids obtained in question 7 and 8. So here what we will do? We will take radius as 12 cm. See the figure, refer the figure. Height as 5 cm. Substitute the value. The answer is 240 pi centimeter cube. Now if you will take the ratio of both, it comes 5/12. So in this way we can calculate the answers. A heap of wheat is in the form of a cone whose diameter is 10.5 meter and the height is 3 meter. Find its volume. The heap is to be covered by the canvas to protect it from the rain. So we have to find out the area of the canvas which is required. Here diameter is given, so calculate the radius by dividing it by 2. So it comes 5.25 meter. Height is already given, that is 3 meter. Volume of the heap is 1/3 pi r square h. Substitute the value. Calculate it correctly. The volume of the heap is 86.825 meter cube. Now, to calculate the area, curved surface area, we require the slant height, and which is calculated by using the value of h and r. So use the formula L equals to square root of h square plus r square. Substitute it. Calculate the square root correct, that is approximately 6.05 meter. Now use the CSA of the cone, that is pi r L. Substitute the value of radius and slant height and calculate the area of the canvas which is needed. So the area is what? 99.825 meter square.
Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day.